Hey everybody, this is Shawn and welcome back to my channel. So you already know this is a money control channel where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're catching this video, you want to know, how do you fill out a acknowledgement for notary? So you guys, there's going to be a lot of different forms, types of wording in your acknowledgement. And so I just wanted to walk you through with this type of wording for the individual acknowledgement. So you guys, let me know, are you a notary, or you're a notary signing agent, a loan signing agent? Let me know in the comments, drop it. And also, what state are you commissioned in? So I'm commissioned in the state of Kentucky. So let me know. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell notification, so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, you guys, as we become notary signing agent, we definitely have to be mindful of the wording. If you have to read the document several times to get a clear understanding, do that. Do not rush, because what we don't want is to make mistakes where our name should be and where the signer's name should be. So here's an individual acknowledgement, and I just want to walk you through the steps how to fill it out. Again, when you get your loan package, make sure that you understand the wording, because sometimes it might be by, and the signer's name should be there, not yours as a notary. So make sure that you get a clear understanding. So here it goes, the state of. And so when you fill out the state and the county, that is where you actually, the city and county where you're actually doing the notary, notary signing at, or you're doing your notarial act at. And so be mindful, because I'm, a state at large, so I can notarize through the whole state of Kentucky. What I don't want to do is make a mistake of which county that I'm in. So I'm always researching before, okay, what county I'm going to, right, do the notarial act, or do the notarize, the documents at. So make sure that you know your counties, because that is where you actually, right, taking the notaries taking place at. So I will fill out the state of Kentucky. I will put out county of, I just say Kitten, because that's where I live at. And on this day, the day that is actually taking place, we do not backdate, and we don't date ahead. So I will put on this day, which is the 10th day of November 2020. We do not put 20. We make sure that you put the whole entire year, all four numbers. So 2020 before me, right? Before me. So me is what? Meaning me. So that is what? I will put my name. I will put my name exactly how it is on my commission certificate. So I will put Shawn Renee Hayes, because that's my whole entire name that's on my commission certificate. The undersigned notary, because it tells you I'm the notary, personally appeared. And personally appeared is the person who's doing the signing, right? So you will put their name, right? It could be, Joe Blow, or John Doe, or whatever. It could be there. And then you hit that checkbox, personally known to me, or. So you can put that check, personally known to me, because what he has presented, or she has presented their identification, knowing, okay, I know this is to be true, that this is them who is actually signing before me. You definitely will put your signature, so you ain't printing, you putting your signature there. So whatever you put your signature requires your stamp. So if I am signing my name here, my stamp is going here. See where it says place notary seal stamp above, and it will go in this area right here. Now that at the bottom is kind of cool, optional. So this section is required for notarization performed in Arizona. Look at that, Arizona, but it's optional in other states. Completing this information can deter alterations of the documents or fraudulent reattachment of this form to an unattended document. So if this is a loose leaf document, and hey, they can attach it to another form. So you definitely want to say the type of document. So whatever type of document that you're acknowledging, you can write there the date, the number of pages in the signers other than the name above. And you can write there, so that could protect you if it has been fallen off. But again, you guys, I just want to show you how you can to fill out acknowledgement. Again, you have to be mindful when you get your loan signing package. What does it say? Because sometimes it says buy, and I'm going to do another video for a different type of acknowledgement so that you can get a clear understanding. But you guys, I really want to show you how to do this. Just making sure that before you even go out to, to notarize something, that you know what county, if you're commissioned in the state that you are in, right? Make sure that you know the county, make sure that you know the date, making sure that you're protected. They're filling out your journal, notary journal, making sure that they have, current government ID, driver's license, or something that you can identify who they are. Again, whatever you sign your name, make sure that you place your stamp. So I hope this was helpful. I will see you on the next video. Take care, and hey, your signatures hold power. Your signature holds power. Just remember that. Your signature holds power. I'll talk to you guys later.